Še posebej inovativna pa je pnevmatika, ki odpravlja menjavo gum. Res je, nismo jo uspeli potipati, idejo smo namreč preučili z varne razdalje, direktno iz Luksemburga.
New is about a tread band, so a tread surface, the part which is touching the road, which is renewable and made of the fact that you have a small capsule and you have to imagine making a small joke that you take like an espresso machine and you want to recharge your coffee. So you put a capsule inside of the center of the hub of the tire and that capsule is put under pressure and then you have a liquid polymer which is diffusing to small tubes and let's say obviously the tread band will wear over time and the liquid is in fact solidifying thanks to contact with oxygen and the external world. So the thinner, let's say, that layer of tread which you have on the top of the tire and which is touching the road is, let's say, the more you have them being renewable and linked to that renewable element, because you have to imagine that when we do nowadays a tire, it's a summer tire or winter tire or no season tire, it has the same tread compound for all usage across Europe, whether you live in the campaign or if you live in a city, whether you live in Slovenia or in center of Paris. But the road conditions, the way you will use the tire can be completely different. And if we think about the vehicles of tomorrow, the artificial intelligence which is available from the vehicle but also in the tire, we can then tailor the blend of material that you would have if you think about, so no maintenance about tire pressure, but also no need to change the tire back and forth for winter and summer. You just need to change the capsule or when you need to reload because let's say you don't have any more material into the tire, 100% of environment will solidify. But those capsules obviously are first automatically and then you can recharge them, so send them back and receive them.
Pa vas zanima, iz katerih materialov so zgrajene današnje gume? Učne minute vam ponujamo na MMC-ju in na našem YouTube kanalu.